Hello guys, and welcome. Thank you again for being here. And it was so sad. A couple of weeks ago, I've experienced that flu-like symptoms, and I think it is the thing that what is currently circulating right now. I mean, the Omicron one. Although I never got a chance yet to get myself tested, but maybe it's not a surprise to everyone. The current news that Manila has the higher surge of Covid-19 right now. The Omicron, that is a very highly transmissible one. And I thought I could dodge or escape from that, but I think I did not. Anyway, I'd like to share to you how I made recovery just in 4 days. Yeah, just in 4 days, and no medication at all, no medicine at all. So before I wanted to continue, I would just like to tell you that if you guys experience these symptoms, please consult your doctor, because maybe my experience, my body responded differently to this situation, to this virus. And your body or your immune system may respond differently also than mine. Me, myself, I just stayed at home during the time that I've got the virus, or yeah, I cannot confirm again, and make myself healed. It's just at home without the medication. So first, let's talk about where is the possibility that I got that. Well, I'm thinking it is when I went out for a so I was thinking I was one day I went out for a grocery. At the same time, I went also to a bookstore and to a hardware store. Yeah. The next day I felt good, but the second day I started to feel that something is gonna be starting. That feeling that you have a very light tiredness in your body, and that feeling in which a flu is starting. But I actually just think of that I just need to take rest, just need to take some sleep, and it will go away. But before that, before I go to sleep, I think this tea that I made was very helpful in recovering also faster. As again, I made the recovery, and those symptoms went away in just 4 days. And the tea, I think, is really helpful enough. Plus, the other thing that I did, not just the tea, is helpful enough to help the recovery fast. So what is this tea that I made? It's just a homemade tea. You can find the ingredients into your kitchen. Actually, it's composed of lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use calamansi. And second is the garlic. Third is the ginger and honey. So, okay, how to prepare it? You're gonna have to squeeze the garlic. I have here a squeezer for the garlic that we have. Or simply you can press it if you don't have. Press it with a knife if you don't have the squeezer like this. For the ginger, you'll have to grate it to make the best and the juice from that. And yeah, also for the lemon, you'll have to squeeze for the juice, and together in a cup, put it with the honey according to your taste. Use the natural honey, not those honey that has an added sugar in it. Yeah, and then pour a hot water or boiled water to it. And I'm taking it twice a day, morning and evening, or whatever I wanted to. Everything is very helpful. As we know, garlic is or has an antibacterial properties in it. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties also, and lemon has a lot of vitamin C, and as well as the honey. Okay, besides, I took also a lot of sleep. You need more sleep during the onset, because during the time your immune system is working hard to fight the virus, and so you need many sleep. Third, take enough water. Water helps peel out the toxins and viruses that you have. This Omicron one just stayed in your nose and throat. It will not go down to the lungs itself, unlike the Delta one, which is much more deadlier. But yeah, still, huwag po isipin na simple lang si Omicron, because don't treat Omicron lightly, because there are still some reported deaths about that. You have to avoid sugary products or drinks. It is recommended for you to drink juices, but only drink natural juices. For the food, my wife always prepare every day a chicken soup with vegetable in it. Upo or sayote works fine with ginger in it, and the salt to taste. Yeah, avoid sugary drinks. Those added sugar is not good for your throat. We go back to the symptoms that I have. The symptoms is body pain, joint pain, and muscle pain. I also experience that cough that is a very, very light one. Cough that is somewhat like you're just clearing your throat and then go away. What's left, by the way, is that cough after 4 days. And yeah, I think that would last, as I mentioned, I've never been taking any medication, so that I expect would last a lot more, in a few more days. Yes, but yeah, anyway, I'm happy that I recovered faster than I expect, because I was thinking I would be recovering in 14 days or more than that, because I heard some other are recovering very, very long. And one friend of mine said that you just sleep and it's within 2 weeks time, bagsak talaga siya. And yeah, I'm happy to share that, and I hope, guys, what works for me will work also for you. But again, I highly recommend if you can consult your doctor. Alright, so thank you for staying and finishing the video. And if you find it helpful, then hitting like and subscribe I would highly appreciate. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on my next one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.